In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a message in WhatsApp Web. If you're a frequent user of WhatsApp Web, you'll know that it can be a bit challenging to keep track of important messages, whether it's a crucial piece of information or a cherished memory that you want quick access to. Pinning messages is a fantastic way to ensure that these messages remain readily available at the top of your chat, saving you the hassle of scrolling endlessly to find them later. To begin, the first step is to open a chat. This might be with a friend, a family member, or even a group conversation. Make sure you have the WhatsApp web version opened on your browser. Once you've done that, navigate over to the particular chat that contains the message you want to pin. Take a moment to scroll through and identify the message that you want to highlight. When you have the message in sight, it's time to direct your mouse over to it. You have a couple of options to proceed from here. First, you can right-click on the message directly. Alternatively, if your mouse doesn't have a right-click button or you prefer another method, look for the small arrow pointing downwards. This arrow is usually discreetly placed at the top right corner of the message bubble. Go ahead and click on this arrow or right-click on the message. After you've accessed the menu, you'll see several options displayed on your screen. Now, all you need to do is click on Pin. This straightforward option will instantly pin the selected message to the top of your chat for easy access. It's worth noting that once a message is pinned, it serves as a convenient reminder or a quick reference point for you, making it simple to revisit it whenever needed without having to sift through the rest of the conversation history. This process is particularly helpful for group chats. Important announcements, shared links, or any vital group information can be highlighted using the pin feature. Also, keep in mind that pinned messages are visible solely to you on WhatsApp Web, which means your customization doesn't affect how others see the chat. And that's it. You've just successfully pinned a message on WhatsApp Web. Remember, if you ever need to unpin a message, simply revisit the message, access the menu in the same way, but select Unpin this time, and the message will return to its original place in the chat chronology. This ability to pin messages is a small but powerful feature, ensuring that important messages remain at your fingertips rather than buried underneath volumes of conversations. So the next time you have a message you want to keep within reach, you now know exactly what to do. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.